Starship is a fully reusable, super heavy lift launch vehicle being developed by American aerospace company SpaceX. If successful, Starship will be the first most powerful launch vehicle ever built and is expected to be the first to demonstrate total reusability. The Starship system consists of the super heavy first stage booster and the Starship second stage, which serves as a self-contained spacecraft while in orbit. Both stages are powered by Raptor engines, which burn liquid oxygen and liquid natural gas propellants in a highly efficient full-flow staged combustion power cycle. Both rocket stages are designed for rapid reuse by landing vertically. The super heavy booster can perform a boostback burn, and Starship can re-enter the atmosphere for a belly-first descent. Starship has a payload capacity of 100 tons, 220,000 pounds to low Earth orbit in its fully reusable configuration, and is designed for a high flight rate in order to dramatically reduce the cost of space access. Expected applications include satellite launch, including the deployment of a large portion of SpaceX's next-generation Starlink internet constellation, human space flights such as space station crew transport, space tourism, and transport of passengers to Mars, and point-to-point suborbital spaceflight. Once in orbit, the Starship spacecraft can additionally be refueled by Starship propellant tankers before transiting to high-energy destinations such as the Moon or Mars. Conceptual designs of a heavy lift launch vehicle began at SpaceX as early as 2005, with methane fuel being specified in 2012 and the vehicle's stainless steel primary structure in 2019. Starship's development program adopted an iterative and incremental methodology, meaning frequent prototype construction, testing, and refinement. Notable milestones in the program include the first flight of a methane rocket engine, Raptor, in 2019, and demonstration of the belly flop maneuver in early 2021. Starship's full-scale orbital test flight is expected to take place in late 2022. As of November 2022, Starship is planned to serve 4 crewed missions and several cargo missions. Starship is designed to be a fully reusable and orbital rocket, aiming to drastically reduce launch costs and maintenance between flights. The rocket will consist of a super heavy first stage or a booster and a Starship second stage or spacecraft. Powered by Raptor and Raptor vacuum engines, the bodies of both rocket stages are made from stainless steel, giving Starship its shine and strength for atmospheric entry. The rocket's reusability and stainless steel construction has influenced other rockets, such as the Terran R and Project Jarvis. When stacked and fueled, Starship is about 5,000 tons, 11 million pounds by mass, 9 meters, 30 feet wide, and 120 meters or 390 feet high. It is taller than the Saturn V by 9 meters, or 30 meters, and a rocket that was used for NASA Apollo program of the 1960s and 70s. With Super Heavy's peak thrust of 72 mN, or 16 million pounds, the rocket has a thrust-to-weight ratio of about 1.45 at liftoff. One launch may deliver 100 tons or 220,000 pounds to low Earth orbit, which would formally classify the rocket as a super heavy lift launch vehicle. According to Eric Berger from ARS Technica in March 2020, manufacturing of the Starship rocket starts with rolls of steel. They are then unrolled, cut, and welded along the cut edge to create a cylinder 9 meters or 30 feet in diameter, 2 meters 7 feet in height, and around 1,600 kg, 4,000 pounds in mass. To make the outer layer of the Starship spacecraft, 17 of these cylinders and nose cones are stacked and welded along their edges. Between the methane and oxygen tanks are domes made by robots, welding at a rate of 10 minutes per seam. Equal to 4 hours per dome, these welds are later inspected with an X-ray machine.